Good morning everyone. Today is Friday 18. Every time I'm scheduled to work and the weather is bad. The weather don't like me. And it's snowing outside. Dan is laughing at me. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna do it really quick because I'm like wearing. Just go. With my screen so that I can see it.
I cannot
Oops, super so. But anyways, ayan guys, nag-snow. It's like what do you call that? Heavy snow maybe?
Sure.
Oh, Dan said yeah, it's a heavy snow. So how I'm gonna do? How can I go to work? Normally, if you don't know me, guys, I work close by my house, like 12 minutes walk. So if it's not snowing,
Slow.
if it's not snowing, I just walk going to work. But now, I guess I need a ride. But well, that's the weather today. It's snowing. Close na natin this malamig. But yeah, malamig. Okay, see you later, guys. So I'm done eating lunch. It is 12:30 in the afternoon. I just eat coffee and one banana, and that's it for my lunch because I wake up late. So I just grab one piece of banana and coffee, and that's my breakfast and lunch. So now I'm gonna brush my teeth. Sorry, yung bathroom. So now I'm just gonna brush my teeth and get ready for work. It's bad outside, it's snowing. But anyways guys, magre-ready lang ako and I will see you later. So yan guys, tapos na ako mag-makeup. Ganyan lang. So it is already 1 o'clock p.m. So I'm about to go to work at like 15 minutes. So yeah, ganito na lang kaya yung buhok ko, malinis din na. I'm lazy, I don't have time to fix my hair. But yeah, so now it's time to go back to work. 2 days off is over. Now work again guys. And ayan lang, yung gamit kong foundation, yung Maybelline na Poreless Matte Liquid Foundation. Ang ganda ng ano niya, hindi na cover masyado yung pimples ko, but maganda siya. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video guys, and yeah, see you later. So guys, nakabihis na ako. So I think, tara, baba na tayo. Oh my god, I don't wanna go to work. I need more day off, char. But anyways, ganyan na lang yung buhok ko. Para tinatamad ako, ganyan na lang yung buhok ko. So let's go ahead. Let's go down guys. Alright, work. What are you gonna do, honey? Oh, it's slapping my butt. Hello everyone. Oh God, they gave me the shovel. I don't wanna. It's cold. Should I take my camera outside?
Nope.
Why?
Because if a snowflake gets in it just right, it melts, it breaks it.
Oh no, I don't want to break my camera. It take a while to replace it.
Yeah, it'd be a long one.
Oh my God, no, it'll be a long. I'll be sad forever. This is my little buddy. This is my best friend, right, camera? Yes.
Okay.
You're wearing short?
Nice out.
Ayun si Dan sa labas nagpapala ng ano tawag doon yung snow ewan ko ano ba tawag sa probinsya sa Bicol, pala ang tawag sa amin. Yung shovel, yun. Sa Bicol pala ang tawag sa amin. Nagsha-shovel siya ng snow sa hallway para yung lakaran ay walang snow. Actually, yung snow, ano siya, mabilis siyang i-shovel. Parang basa ng konti. Kaya mabilis lang siyang tanggalin sa hallway. Yung favorite shoes ko. Yan. Ganda. Pink. Hello guys, finally I'm home. So, pauwi ko lang. It is 11:30 p.m. already. So, it's still cold. But the snow stopped already. So I'm just gonna normally what I did after my work, I'm just gonna rest my legs and rest like 30 minutes and go to shower while resting for 30 minutes and just gonna sit back and relax my legs and while relaxing my legs I'm gonna watch YouTube. I'm gonna watch new videos uploaded, and after that jump into the shower and later shower, get ready for bed. My nose is stuffy. When it's cold, my nose starting stuffy, like runny nose. I don't know why. Maybe because of the weather, it's cold. That's why my nose is stuffy. I like the lightning here. Ooh. Resting my leg, guys. Ayun yung legs ko, guys. Nasa bed siya. Tapos ayun, dyan lang ako nanonood na. Dati yung computer ko nasa baba to eh. Tapos pinalipat ko kay Dan sa kwarto. Kaya minsan pag hindi pa ako inaantok, ito lang yung panlipas ko ng time ko. Always active in social media, nood ng videos, manood ng movie, ganun lang. So that's it guys, magre-rest lang ako ng konti and later maybe 30 minutes and I'm gonna jump into the shower and I'm ready for bed. So, see you later guys. Papahinga lang ako ng konti